Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef korma. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef, cut into 1-inch cubes, along with 2 large onions, finely sliced, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 cup of plain yogurt and half a cup of heavy cream for that rich texture. Also, have 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garam masala on hand. These are the building blocks for a delicious korma. Now, let's get cooking. Start by browning your beef cubes in about 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat until they're nicely seared on all sides. Remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pot, add your sliced onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become soft. Next, stir in the minced garlic and ginger paste, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. This step builds the foundational flavors of your korma. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Return the seared beef to the pot with the sautéed onions, garlic, and ginger. Gradually stir in the plain yogurt, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Then, add about 1 cup of water or beef broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook on low heat for 1.5 to 2 hours until the beef is incredibly tender and the sauce has thickened. For the grand finale, stir in the heavy cream and the remaining garam masala, letting it warm through for a few minutes. Garnish your rich beef korma with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of slivered almonds for added texture and aroma. This dish is perfect served with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. Remember to check the description below for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful beef korma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.